Hi everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today I'm doing prompt number 8 for Care December, which is Green is my sister's house, and it's a poem. And I have interpreted that as just letting myself enjoy using collage. I didn't get any paints out today. I just messed around with bits of paper that I had, and the images are from Everything Art UK. You can purchase them on their website, so the link for their website will be down below in our description box. But yep, this is the page for today. I enjoyed doing this. It was quite relaxing, and just using a little bit of glue and cutting with paper. I don't think there's anything more relaxing than that. So I shall pop on some music now and let you watch the process.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Put out, but all I know is how to fall back into you. Oh, I wanna see you. Now I'm ready to be hurt again. I'll end up in your life. wish you